Hey guys, what's up? In this video I would like to show you how to get Snapchat++ on your Android or iOS device. After searching for many hours for a working method on how to get Snapchat++, I finally found the best working site to get it, and I'm really excited to share it with all of you guys. Snapchat++ has many more features, much better than the original Snapchat, and it's 100% worth it. You guys should get it right now while it still works. It's honestly super amazing, and I'll show you guys how to get it. Just go to getsnap.live/snap. So getsnap.live/snap. Okay guys, and here what you have to do is press login, and this is to verify. We have to verify first that we are a human and not a bot, so bots don't abuse the site and sell this software on the internet for money. So let's prove right now by pressing this verify button that we are indeed humans. So let's download and open two apps for at least 30 seconds. Again guys, one or two apps, keep them open for at least 30 seconds. You can choose any two apps, it does not matter. It can be a VPN app, a game. Just keep them open for at least 30 seconds and use them. Interact with the apps. Let's open the first app, so I'll show you how to do it. Okay, let's use the app. So guys, you can see the method is very easy and it's free. No, you don't have to pay anything to get Snapchat++. And after doing this, it will automatically install on your device and you'll have Snapchat++. Okay, let's give it a couple of more seconds and it should be enough. Okay, let's close this and let's wait for the second app. So yeah guys, that is the method right there, and after doing this, Snapchat++ will automatically install on your device. If it does not work the first try, just install one or two more apps and it should definitely work. You can also use another phone, your friend's phone for example. And yeah, that's about it. Have fun with Snapchat++.